AI enthusiast. It's time for your weekly dose of AI advancements on Weekly AI Digest, unleashing the future one week at a time. Don't miss the latest in AI. Hit that subscribe button now. Let's delve into this week's AI wonders. Kicking off this week's AI marvels is the Baidu's groundbreaking Ernie 4.0. Unveiled amid much fanfare at Baidu World 2023, this generative AI model paraded its prowess by drafting a martial arts novel in real time, showcasing a riveting blend of creativity and technology. CEO Robin Lee led the unveiling, where Ernie 4.0 demonstrated its capability to craft advertising material, enriching Baidu's ecosystem like Baidu Drive and Baidu Maps with enhanced user interactions through natural language queries. Baidu claims that Ernie 4.0's capabilities rival those of ChatGPT 4 and ChatGPT, marking a significant stride in generative AI models and turning a single individual into an AI marketing team, according to reports. The unveiling of Ernie 4.0 was centerpiece of Baidu World 2023, marking Baidu's first in-person gathering post a 4-year hiatus due to pandemic, embodying a significant leap towards the AI-driven future. The bustling streets of Tokyo witnessed a tech upgrade with NEC Corporation deploying an AI-driven traffic monitoring system for Central Nippon Expressway Company Limited. This initiative visualizes traffic conditions through fiber optic sensing and AI, promising a future of smarter urban infrastructures, smoother traffic, and bolstered road safety. This AI-driven traffic management system is a testament to the potent blend of AI and urban planning, paving the way for safer and more efficient cities. The construction arena is not left untouched by AI's magic. Innovators like Indus.ai are leading the charge with AI construction analytics platform, ushering in a new era of efficiency and collaboration in construction. The synergy between building information modeling (BIM) and AI is opening new vistas for real-time monitoring and project management, heralding a future of smarter and safer construction sites. With AI at the helm, the construction industry is poised for a transformative journey towards optimized operations and enhanced safety protocols. NASA, in a collaborative endeavor with trailblazers like Astrobotic Technology and Intuitive Machines, is embracing AI for Martian exploration. Tailored AI algorithms are being crafted to scrutinize the Martian terrain meticulously, aiding in hazard detection and route planning for rovers, making a new chapter in interplanetary research. The fusion of AI and space exploration is unfolding new realms of possibility, propelling us closer to the mysteries of the red planet and setting the stage for more ambitious extraterrestrial ventures in the near future. Mental health care is blossoming with AI's tender touch. Emerging platforms are harnessing AI to offer personalized mental health support, promising a future of accessible and effective mental health care. Companies like Georgia-based Park Technologies are at the forefront, developing machine learning tools to help diagnose and treat psychological conditions. Other notable contributors include Lyson in the UK and US, providing technology designed to refine diagnosis and improve quality control in mental health therapy. With AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data, the promise for aiding in diagnosing mental health conditions continues to grow. The growing demand for mental health services sees these innovative startups as the go-to resource for individuals seeking to improve their mental well-being. The green revolution is going tech with AI-powered smart farming technologies transforming agriculture from North America to the far reaches of the globe. AI-enabled precision agriculture technologies are changing the way we grow and produce food. The convergence of AI and the IoT Internet of Things holds transformative potential for productivity in agriculture. Although challenges related to AI's application, speed, and workforce skill levels persist, companies and researchers are tirelessly working to extend the frontiers of smart agriculture, employing AI alongside drones and digital cameras for automatic identification of crop heads and more, marking a significant stride towards sustainable farming practices. The delivery sphere is witnessing a robotic revolution with autonomous delivery robots hitting the streets, or should I say air, for timely and contactless deliveries. Drone delivery is joining the fray with organizations like ICMR, ensuring timely deliveries, a timely boon in today's health scenario. As world continues to embrace the contactless delivery model, autonomous delivery robots and drones are playing a pivotal role in ensuring the safe and timely delivery of essential goods, marking a significant evolution in the delivery sector. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into how AI is reshaping the delivery landscape in the coming episodes. That's a wrap on to this week's AI saga. Hit the subscribe button to stay abreast of the AI narrative that's modeling our world. See you next week with more AI tales. Until then, keep exploring the endless possibilities with AI.